There are some people who will swear by certain ingredients in supplements, right? And so a lot of the comments on my videos will be like, maca is really great, ashwagandha is excellent, tribulus. These are all different types of supplements I've reviewed a little bit before in my past videos, but I kind of want to hear your thought. Does that enhance sexual health or build sexual health as you're describing?
As it relates to science within the last several decades, there's been a significant amount of science in many of the herbs that we use specifically for erectile function and so forth. Let's go right to it. The botanicals that seem to work for erectile function, and by the way, it goes hand in hand with increasing testosterone because you need testosterone for erectile function and certainly desire and things like that. It all goes hand in hand. Ashwagandha is one of my favorite, and I think you should love it, not only because you're probably from Indian descent as well, and it comes from India, but it's just a fabulous botanical. My favorite category of botanicals, and you have nervines, you have this, that, and you have adaptogens. Adaptogens are really your body adapting to stress and everything that is a consequence of stress. Ashwagandha is an adaptogen, right? Just like ashwagandha is called actually Indian ginseng, right? Ginseng from China and Korea, Korean ginseng, they're also adaptogens. There are several more. There's rhodiola from Russia. How does it work? Well, it does seem to have the ability of increasing testosterone. It seems like it lowers or modulates cortisol. So when you have a lot of cortisol, you have less testosterone. So cortisol is counter to testosterone. And cortisol comes from like excess stress for the most part. So it seems to counter cortisol, which seems to raise testosterone and sperm quality and things like that.